Looking for a scratch, dent, and fade-resistant truck bed cover? Well, then you have come to the right place. I'm Katie Osborne with Truck Hero. Alongside me is Chris Morris, and we are here to talk about ArmorFlex. That is one heck of a product.
Yes, it is. It is coated with a premium Line-X coating on the top. It's very durable. So if you're going to be using your truck to work out of, a contractor, let's say, you can throw all you want at it. It won't scratch, fade, or dent, like Katie said. It's become very, very popular, and you can see it right here on this Rambox application, which is new for us this year. We've had a lot of people ask about this application for this particular truck. So coming in the coming months here, it'll be available to you out there in the public.
Now, Chris, you mentioned that Rambox. I really dig that thing. Why is it so important to have a truck bed cover like that for the Rambox?
Because it allows you to use the Rambox that you bought the truck for, along with using the tonneau cover to keep all your valuables secure inside the bed and weather tight.
So of course we know that it's dent, fade, and scratch resistant, but what other things does this truck bed cover offer?
So it gives you through riding positions, totally closed. If you have something that takes up half your bed, you can fold it to the half open position. We have straps with buckles that allow you to secure it. But if you need to use your full bed to haul something large, you fold it up vertical behind the cab, and it gives you full bed access in a matter of seconds.
I also like that it looks really flush above the truck bed.
Yeah, so everything this day and age is becoming, everyone wants low profile. So this gives you everything, gives you strength, durability, and low profile, and full bed accessibility.
Sounds pretty good to me. If you want more information on the ArmorFlex, definitely check out truck-hero.com.